Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. It is Friday and I was busy all day with baking. I ran a few errands this morning, but now I'm wrapping up for the night and we're gonna go look at some Christmas lights. So I'm gonna bring my camera along and show you some of the lights, and we might just get a hot chocolate or something too.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here.
All right guys, we got our Timbits and our hot chocolates and our Chipper Man, and we're going to look at Christmas lights.
But when there's love, there's always a way, and oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim that Christmas is.
So we're back from Sydney. I failed at showing anything that happened, but we went to Walmart, Canadian Tire, the Bulk Barn, No Frills, and then we got lunch and brought it back to my mom's. I'm gonna show you everything I got in Sydney, but first I want to show you Seamus is putting up the lights on our step. I'm gonna do one on this side and one on this side. So at the Bulk Barn, I just got some boxes and then some chocolate. Over at Walmart, I got some blue sprinkles, some mini cupcake liners, blue icing color, a Terry's chocolate orange. I might make a video with something with this in it. Some scotch tape, some candy canes, some Oreos, and then at No Frills, I got some butter, icing sugar, and cocoa powder. Alright, it is much later now. It's almost 9 o'clock, but I'm going to do a little bit of Christmas baking to end off the video, and I'm going to do a no-bake Oreo ball recipe. So it's really simple. I got the recipe from Pinterest, so I will link it down below, but you only need Oreos, a block of cream cheese, and some melting chocolate, and then whatever toppings you choose. So the recipe said that 36 Oreos is in one bag, but I counted out and I needed one bag of Oreos and then plus another row. So I don't know if you can get bigger bags of Oreos, but get two just in case. And you also need a food processor. So I'm gonna go ahead and soften the cream cheese. And then using a fork, you're just going to mash the cream cheese into the Oreos. If the fork isn't working great for you, you can just use your hands and mush it all together. So when your Oreo and cream cheese mixture comes together and forms kind of like a dough, you're gonna set that aside and get some sort of dish and line it with parchment paper. And all you do now is you can use a small spoon or a tablespoon and use that as a measure so all of them are equal. And then you're gonna scoop them and form them into balls and place them in your container with parchment. So I rolled out all of the Oreo balls. I'm gonna pop them in the fridge. Let chill in the fridge for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna dip them in chocolate and add the toppings. 15 minutes is up. I melted down some chocolate and got all of my toppings in little dishes. So I have some candy canes, some Christmas sprinkles, and then just some red sprinkles. And I was gonna do some milk chocolate and white chocolate, but I figured I would just do all milk chocolate. It would save me some time. So now I'm going to dip these and add some toppings. Okay, so all the Oreo balls have been dipped in chocolate and sprinkled, and I'm gonna pop them in the fridge for 15 minutes. I had them in the fridge for 15 more minutes, and now it's time to try one. They're really good. Some really tasty cream cheese, and they're nice and soft. It's like a cake pop, but way better. Alright, so Seamus and I both think that these things are really good. You should definitely try them out. They're so simple. They take like 30 minutes max, and they only need 3 ingredients. So I'll leave the recipe down below, and I'm going to plate some up to take some pictures for the thumbnail for this video and also for Instagram. So I think next Sunday is the last Sunday before Christmas, so expect some Christmas baking in that video as well. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.